You want to know how to hide or unhide Instagram Reels from your profile grid? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. So all you have to do is open your Instagram application and go to your profile page. On the bottom you will find your profile icon, click on it, and here you can see in your photo grids you have reels there. So to hide from it, so let's say I want to choose this reel to hide it from my profile grid. What you want to do is you tap on the three dot icon on the top, and here you will find the option remove from profile grid. Just tap on it, and if you want to hide it permanently from your photo grids and your reel section, you can tap on archive. And here when you go back to your profile, as you can see your Instagram Reels is now gone. So how to unhide it is you can actually find it in your archive. So to do that, on the upper right, click on the three lines and click archive. Now tap above, it is say stories and archive, click on it and select post archive, and here you can see the reels we have just archived. So all you have to do to restore it is just to click on the video and tap on show on profile, and you can see here it's already restored. And now once you go back to your profile, you will see your Instagram Reels back on your profile. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.